How to play DeFi Kingdoms patrols on Metis.
Hello everyone. If you are looking at checking out DeFi Kingdoms by trying out the brand new patrols feature, see what our combat system is like, it takes absolutely no assets on your part and is a very easy process. Go to game.defikingdoms.com and that will drop you off right here in the Sundered Isles. From there, we are going to go into the registry and speak to the patrols NPC Deputy Guilford Finnegan. We are going to pick Try Patrols Demo, and from here you have an option. You can choose any of the 3 tiers of patrols to give a shot. Obviously levels 1 through 3 is going to be the easiest, with 7 through 9 being the most difficult. When you click Start Demo, it is going to load you into the combat scenario using 3 heroes that have been pre-selected for you to give a shot and try out what the combat system is like. As you can see, we are now in the combat system. Right now our enemies are taking turns. It is now our first hero's turn. You can see here that there are a handful of actions that your heroes can take, including basic attacks. At this level, 1 skill, as well as a couple of abilities as well. You can go through here and try out the combat system, actually playing out this battle. You can do this as many times as you want. It's a really great way to get a feel for the combat system, how it works, the intricacies behind it, and get an idea of what the combat system of DeFi Kingdoms is all about. Thank you for checking out this video, and we hope you come and try out the game.